No, you're so funny. No, I can't come. I can't come to lunch today. I got a date. Yeah, well, it's not really a date. It's just this Italian man from the office. He's been hassling me for a date for ages, and he's so annoying. I just need to get rid of him. Oh, shucks, he's here. He's here. I gotta go. Bye, love you. Bye.
Ciao, Bella.
Bonjour!
Yes, hop into the car. Take your time. Be careful of those marshmallows.
What?
Don't worry. I won't bite unless you ask me. You look so beautiful.
What are you doing?
Oh, the keys to the car was down by your foot.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Oh my
That's
God.
okay, that's okay, really. I'm okay. It's not every day you get judged on the face by a beautiful island girl.
Oh, cringe.
Beg your pardon?
I said fringe. You know, because I'm so embarrassed that my fringe is all messed up and my hair is all...
You have a beautiful French.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you mind if I play some music?
You can play whatever you like.
Okay.
What the hell? How did you know? I love this song. Mm-hmm.
Wow. I actually, my thumb slipped.
Oh.
Yeah, that was not the song I was meant to play. I was actually meant to play this song. So, yeah.
You have a beautiful thumb.
Thank you.
Beepa, beepa, beepa. Beepa, beepa, beepo.
No.
Beepa, 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 ba. Oh, la telemoni.
Okay. Actually, sorry. I've just been making so many mistakes lately. I didn't mean to play either of those two songs. I meant to play this song.
Vaya uma ofa, Paolona.
No way!
Woo!
Okay, how do you know these songs? You're a white Italian man.
I'm a what?
You're a white Caucasian Italian man.
Is that all you see when you look at me with those eyes? My white skin? All my friends, growing up, my usos were Samoan. I consider them my family. Samoa, Tulai, Lo Sisi, Lo. Lo. Where do you go?
These men out here, they're all fake. He thought he was a white man, first of all. Sir, you look Tongan. And then, he thinks he's Italian. I don't know where he got that accent from, but it was terrible. I'm so sure he's Niuean.